Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, today we're going to look at the H650. This is a brushless motor airplane. It's a 300 kV and it takes a 7.4 volt battery, I believe. Let me double check. You have to add a little Velcro. It doesn't come with it to hold it in the front. Yeah, it's a 7.4 volt. I covered up the milliamp, sorry. I'll fill you guys in the description on that. Anyway, I bought this on Temu, this website, through the app, and now we're supposed to be able to, it says sea, land, and air, so you should be able to take off from the grass or runway, water, and then you can fly, of course, in the air. So this first time, fresh out of the box, we have, looks like ailerons, elevator, rudder control on there. Not sure how it's all linked together, but it is. I think you have big and little rudder. Not sure. Let's see. Okay, that's our lights. So this one's going to be our adjustment on the controls. I think let's just have the two mode settings. We'll see how that makes a difference when we get it in the air. Okay, that's gyro. Okay. 6-axis gyro, I believe. Without further ado, let's get this thing in the air and see what it can do. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're all doing well. Maybe I should back it up just a little bit. I'm not sure how much runway it's going to require. I have more. We'll give it some space. Try to avoid a problem, we hope. Let's see what we got. Ooh, I don't know if I can get enough momentum off of this tall grass, so I think I'm gonna have to try to throw it, guys. Apologies. We'll see if we can hand launch it. Oh, and it's off. Pretty breezy day. And then it's gonna ease into it a little bit here. It's good range. Okay, that's full throttle. Everything seems to be controlling properly. I was just giving it a little test there slowly before I kicked it up. Nice. That is a cool plane, guys. Fun to fly. Very controllable. No problem getting in the sky. With a little hand launch. If you had short grass, I think it would have been no problem taking off. A lot of breeze, causing it to have some issues here. Just about ended it up in the trees there. I recommend flying on calmer days than I usually get to fly in. Avoid some issues. I'm going to try the different setting. Wow, that seems like I might have a little more control on the steering. She's a little wobbly in this wind. Pretty strong the higher you get. Bring it back down low for the remainder of the flight. It's a good looking airplane. Let me know if I should take it out and try to take off out of the water somewhere. I have to go to a lake. Maybe a friend of mine will have a pond they can let me use. Yep, you may want to fly this one on calmer days, for sure. It's rocking a little bit there. I did Velcro the battery in, and it's still got some wobble to it. Calmer days, better flights, I'm sure. Pretty cool. The prop is collapsible or foldable, so if you did have an impact, it will just fold up. Usually it keeps from breaking, which is very nice, especially for beginners or anybody really. Get in a little bit of a mess. Let's see if I can adjust this elevator down. That's wanting to take me way up too, especially in this amount of wind that I'm flying in. Hey, the birds found me. Oh, we're gonna fly together. Wow, I'm really getting windy up there. Mayday, mayday. Oh no, can you get back control of it? Maybe, we'll see. I think I have it. Oh, I think I went the wrong way with my elevator. That's what I did. I was distracted. That's much better. I like to fly at a more level setting. I don't like my nose to be heading up in the air. Got her adjusted now. It's flying much better. Just at an uncomfortable adjustment on the elevator. So remember that. Adjust your elevator. This one had way too much off of the default settings. I've got it flying much better now. Just with a little bit of a trim adjustment on the elevator. So point the nose down, just trim your adjustment up on the elevator. And to lift the nose up, go down on the trim. Alright guys, very cool. I'm going to go ahead and attempt to try to bring this in for a landing. Maybe one more circuit. There we go. Nice. Wasn't a very pretty landing, but it was a soft landing. That's what matters. Alright guys, there you have it. The H650. Thanks for watching. Guys, have a great day. Bye.